Hello and welcome to COSY Life Consulting YouTube channel. My name is Daria and I'm here today to show you the most gorgeous project in Istanbul, Nisantasi. I have to make a confession. Our team fell in love with this one. Welcome to the Ritz Carlton Residences, Istanbul. The project is located in the iconic building of the previous century in the Nisantasi area at the end of Vali Kenai Street. The dark modern facade of the building reflects a contemporary interpretation of the design spirit of the 70s. Fashion boutiques, five-star hotels and fancy restaurants are the parts of Nisantasi authentic. The luxury market in Turkey has expanded over the last few years. The demand for comfortable, aesthetic living spaces in the Nisantasi area is also growing day by day. The Ritz Carlton Residences in Istanbul includes 31 unique types of residential units, from 1+1 to 4+1 units, garden duplexes to penthouses. A total of 121 units are spread around 22 floors. Every detail in the apartment is made for you to feel comfortable. The main door is made with LED lighting inside and every corner has a smart home system. There is a central air conditioning system in the apartment. The master bedroom has a closet and a bathroom decorated with natural marble. The condo has a high ceiling, an open-plan kitchen with an island and built-in kitchen conveniences. The Ritz Carlton Residences facilities: 24/7 private concierge service, valet parking service, laundry, fitness center, kids playground, bar lounge, brasserie and restaurant, housekeeping, pet care, private cinema, spa center and art studio. The Ritz Carlton Residences provides the special Ritz Carlton Service, starting from a concierge service to a dedicated residential management team. As the owner of the unit in the Ritz Carlton Residences, you join a worldwide network of the Ritz Carlton guests who experience special privileges while staying in their distinguished hotels. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about the real estate market and immigration to Turkey, visit our website or reach us directly by the contacts in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to COSY Life YouTube channel, like this video and click the bell to get up-to-date information on the immigration process, real estate and life in Turkey. See you!